beep. I'm a sheep. I say beep, beep, beep. I'm a sheep. Beep, beep. I'm a sheep. I say beep, 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 beep. I'm a sheep. Beep, beep. I'm a sheep. A beep, 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 beep. I'm a sheep. Beep, beep, beep. I'm a sheep. I'm a sheep. I'm a sheep. I'm beep. I'm a sheep. A beep, beep, beep. Sheep. But how does one beep like a sheep? Throw your hand. Step 1. Throw your hands in the sky. Step 2. Get it all first. Step 3. Go bouncing around. Step 4. Just act crazy. Beep, beep. I'm a sheep. I said beep, beep, beep. I'm a sheep. Meow, meow. I'm a cow. Meow, 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 meow. I'm a cow. Oh, I'm a cow. I said I'm a cow. I'm a cow. I'm a cow, cow. Meow, meow. I'm a cow. Meow, meow, meow. I'm a cow. Cow, cow. Meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. I'm just a cow. Da, 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 da. Stand up the side. What the heck? Now I just want. Now all I'm gonna do is just show you. My goodness. They're crazy. I don't know why they give me any of the tickets for ink. But look, I can do this for free. Yeah, what open? Oh no, he dropped the gun. Up, it exploded. One can only up. He died in the explosion, and the cat jumped on him. Okay, next. What the heck is? Oh yeah.
This is what.
Look that.
Crazy Daddy. Insane.
I'm gonna do what's called a pro gamer move.
Yeah. What? Like, look where we had for. Yay! Just, well, I don't know why I just thought moved to no. Where is it? No, where am I? I should show you this one first. I actually got 4 likes. And I'm getting 9 likes. Yay! Bruh, even. No, I forgot to delete that one. No. Why don't... Yeah. Yeah. You should see the first one. And then the next one, no title. Oh, wait. Just I didn't put any words, so it didn't get a title. But for the first words I put in it, like, if you put any words, the first one, it's there. Yeah. Ah. He doesn't. I don't know why I look like a cat. I don't know how you did that.
B-movie? B-movie.
But no, we're going to miss. So
B-movie?
happy. B movie.
B-movie.
The like the really funny thing that I really get fun. This person is definitely different from what they used to look like. Hi.
Hi guys.
Hi.
That's not me. Then
Wow.
hi guys. We.
Oh my god, no way.
Hi. Hello.
No. That was the capybara looking person.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Why?
Wow.
What did you not say? That was supposed to be like a
Oh my
cappy.
god, no way.
And that was supposed to be a capybara.
Hi. Hello.
Bye, have a great time.
That's like, what the heck is this person doing? I'm gonna tell them they're in a vid. I wonder what they're gonna say. Oh, what happened? I think someone just saw that they were in a video and we said, what? Dude, I'm gonna get popular, and then they ran, and then those people are just gonna see their names, their old names. Yeah, yeah, that's it. That's the end of the video. Bye.